Hello, this is Chris Roshnot24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. Today we're taking a look at the Multifunction Jump Starter from Audew. This is a jump starter for your car. It's also a power bank, and it works for car electronics, and it also is a light suitable for all kinds of 12-volt vehicles. So inside the bag, there's two compartments. There are the jumper cables, and they give you all of the cables that you need. So we'll show you these cables first. This is the cable for the battery, plugs into the battery. It tells you if you're correct or reverse. There's also a boost button there. There's instructions, so that's important. 7 steps. Then you have your red alligator clips here. That's for the battery. And this feels like solid plastic construction along with copper connectors. And this is again the alligator clip for black. So that's your plus and minus right there. And then also in the box, they've included USB Type-C cable. So USB Type-C to USB Type-C, that's important. And USB Type-A to USB Type-C, because most phones and other devices use these types of cables. So they've included that with the package. And then we'll get into the actual battery. So there's just two compartments here, very easy. Very small, compact battery. You can use this for your tablets or your phone. We like that a lot. We like the high visibility color here of the red. Nice outer construction. It feels, and if you try to twist it, it feels nice and sturdy. So that's good. Some caution information there. And power button shows you it has level 3 out of 4. Of course, you'll want to charge this before boosting your car. And this is where the jumper cable plugs in. So it's a simple plug-in right there, and you can't mess it up because it's a rounded edge and a square edge. So there's no issue there. And then output, 15 volt, 1 amp right there. And then you have your different ports. So you have a 5 volt, 9 volt, 12 volt output. You have a 5 volt, 2.4 amp output right there. These are USB Type-A ports. And that's a USB Type-C in and out port. So you can charge it with the USB Type-C. And I believe if you hold down, you get the light. So that's pretty easy to turn it on. And then you get the SOS flash as well. And slower flash. And then if you hold it one more time, it will turn off. So that's good. It's a lighter battery. I thought it would feel much heavier, but it's sturdy construction. And you try to twist it and it doesn't twist. So that's a mark of a good production on the battery right there. And the button feels nice. So this is the Audew Starter Multifunction Jump Battery. We like that it has USB Type-C and USB Type-A ports. They give you all the cables that you need. That's fantastic. Here's some more information, but you could find this on Amazon from Audew.